Hello everyone. This is our customized version of the 5-axis grid cutting machine. The machine is showcasing its functions for milling cutting. Our 5-axis grid cutting machine also has other functions. If you are interested, please come and contact me. Thank you for watching.